First, ensure the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 wireless headset is charged above 20% to avoid connection issues. Power on the headset by holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. The LED will flash white, indicating pairing mode. On your Android or iOS phone, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and enable Bluetooth if it's turned off. Scan for available Bluetooth devices and select HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 Wireless from the list. Confirm the pairing when prompted. The headset LED will turn solid white once connected. Test the connection by playing audio or making a call. If pairing fails, forget the device on your phone and try again, or reset the headset by holding Power plus volume down for 10 seconds. If you experience pairing drops, especially on older phones, ensure your phone's Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Interference from Wi-Fi or other Bluetooth devices can cause problems. Try moving closer to your phone or rebooting both devices. For multi-point connectivity, connecting to 2 devices simultaneously, repeat the pairing process on the second device. HyperX's Nnuity app allows for firmware updates and EQ customization via Bluetooth. While Bluetooth is convenient, the included USB dongle offers lower latency for serious PC gaming. Battery life averages 18 to 20 hours in real-world Bluetooth use. Bluetooth may not be ideal for high-stakes PC gaming due to minor delays. For a future-proof experience, keep an eye out for firmware updates that improve Bluetooth stability and reduce latency.